Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss on how to create a free Fabric trial account using business email address. So if you already have a business email address or company's email address, you can straight away go to app.fabric.microsoft.com and create a free trial. This video is especially for people who don't have the business email address. Earlier, Microsoft was also allowing people to create a developer E5 sandbox environment where you are able to create multiple free Fabric accounts. But recently they have stopped it and we are unable to create any such sandbox. So we will be implementing the creation of this Fabric free account in 5 steps. If you go to the next slide, as you can see, in the very first step, we should create a Microsoft account using an existing personal Gmail account. So if you already have a Gmail account, I hope everyone should have it. So you can first create a Microsoft account. We'll be doing that in demo. And then once it is created, we can sign up for a free Azure account. However, be aware that here it is required to enter credit card information. So as per the process. And however, it won't be charged unless or until you are creating any Azure resources inside the Azure account. So we should be very careful on that. Okay. So once it is set up, now we can create a new user ID inside the Azure Active Directory, which is also called as Entra ID. Okay. So once you create that new user, you need to assign a specific role to that user, especially Fabric Administrator. So once you assign a Fabric Administrator role, then you are done, like you're good to go. You can use the same email address of that user that you have created. You can use that user as a login and the password you would have already generated for signing up for the free Fabric trial account. Okay, so let's see it on demonstration. So now we're going to demonstrate the process. So the very first thing that you need to have is a Gmail account. So I just created a new Gmail account. As you can see, the Gmail ID sounds like Microsoft Fabric Trainings@gmail.com. So using this Gmail address, I'm going to set up my Microsoft account first. So for setting up Microsoft account, I can open this account.microsoft.com. So account.microsoft.com. So click on sign in and just enter the same Gmail address, which is Microsoft Fabric Trainings@gmail.com. So I'll just copy this for easy navigation. You can use, let's go back, paste. Oh sorry, I need to create one. So we couldn't find an account with that username. So I don't have a Microsoft account. I have to create one. So looks like you don't have an account with us. We'll create one for you using the same account, Gmail address, which is personal Gmail address, right? So I'll just give a password. I think I would have received some code here. Let me just make sure I refresh this page. Yeah, as you can see, we will be getting a code. Just copy paste this. So once it is done, we are almost there. Okay, please solve the puzzle so we know you are not a robot. Okay, next. I have to make sure to match the angle. Use the arrows to rotate the objects. Okay. Just do that. Submit. Okay. So now once it is done, you are successfully set up Microsoft new URL, which is Azure Portal free account. I'll just search for Azure Portal free account, and as you can see, we got the first one, free trial. So I'll just try to activate that. Either way, we can go to the signup.azure.com. So either way, we'll land in the same azure.signup. So basically, I need to enter the same account, which is Microsoft Fabric Training @gmail.com. So once I enter the ID, you should be able to go to the Azure portal, and you need to sign up for Azure portal now. So I'll just give some random name. Let's say first name Microsoft Fabric Trainings, something like that. So now that you have gone to the second stage, here you need to enter your credit card details. You are not eligible for an Azure free account. So what happened was I was using the same credit card details twice. So earlier I have used the same credit card details in this particular account that you see here, and I'm reusing the same credit card details again over the other place. So that is the reason it is not allowing me to use a free Azure account. Rather, it is suggesting me to go with a pay as you go. So still you can use the pay as you go, and you need to just pause the resources. But I'm just taking a step back and going with my previous account. So the steps will be the same. So people who are using for the first time with their credit card, they will be able to proceed from there. So they will be able to continue with that process of creating a free Azure account. So once they are done with the creation of the free Azure account, the rest of the steps will be same. So all you need to do is search for Entra ID. So you can see Microsoft Entra ID. So once you click on Microsoft Entra ID, you'll be landing in this particular place where, okay, let me just try it again, Microsoft Entra ID. So here you need to able to add a user. Okay, you need to able to add a user by clicking on this add option. So I use a create new user. So once I click on create new user, I can give it a user principal name. So this is constant. So this is basically santoshputnak@gmail.onmicrosoft.com. This is constant. We cannot change this. While I can add a principal name, like the name I wanted to keep it. So learn fabric. So I just give learn fabric. Okay, and I also wanted to copy this. Okay, local part of a user principal name can only contain one of the following characters. So it's taking space. I do not want a space there. Okay, I can just go with this. And display name, fabric training. Okay, I can copy this somewhere so that it is handy. Alright, so I'll just quickly copy it somewhere and just add a password of my own so that I can remember them. Not auto generated, I want to put it my own. So let's right, so won't enable. So I think this all we can do. So I just copy the user name, and then once it is done, I will have to make sure I assign it a user. I have to assign that a particular role. So let me just click on that. So especially the fabric administrator role, yeah, this role has to be assigned to that particular user. Just select this, and I've assigned a role. Now I can say review and create. So as you can see, that new ID is created with that password, and it's having a role called fabric administrator. So click on create, just click on save password. So once that is created, I can use that ID elsewhere. So I'll just quickly navigate to a different location so that I can kind of create another place where I can try to open app.fabric.microsoft.com. So here I'm trying to use the same ID which I've just created, right? This is the ID that we have just created on top of Azure. So I'm going to submit this, and I'm going to use this as my fabric. So there is a little bit of sign up process involved here. As you can see, it looks like you are already Microsoft customer. Sign in as this. So I can click on sign in, and I'll add the same password that I've just created there. Not now. So I'll have to just change the password since it's the first time logged in. I'll just try to change the password. Simple one. So as you can see, okay, fine, I think not. So let me click on. As you can see, once you are done with the filling of the basic details, you will be landing in this page where you are having access to Power BI account, like it's a Power BI free account. So from here you need to click on the start trial to activate the fabric free trial. So when you click on start trial, this will allow you to get the 60-day free trial from the fabric for using the fabric. Click on start trial and click on fabric homepage. So now it has successfully upgraded to Microsoft Fabric account. So once you are done with this step, you will be able to see the Fabric homepage with all the relevant details. As you can see data factory, data activator, Synapse data engineering, data science, data warehouse. So this is all about creating your free Fabric trial account. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos on Fabric. Thank you so much.